Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm doing a 3 a.m. video, I know. Yeah. So today I'm not gonna be making slime, but comment below if you do want me to do that. But today I'm gonna be making at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. I'm gonna be playing with slime. I don't know. I don't really know if anything's gonna happen since I'm not making it. Usually, their slime changes colors, like the light shifts off. But yeah, this is just a skit, so this is not even real. This actually didn't happen at 3 a.m. Give this video a big thumbs up for some more skits. And subscribe down below and tap the bell so you get notified when I upload another video like this one. Because I'm actually liking these videos a lot. So I'm getting all my slimes ready for when it's 3 a.m. And here they are. There's a stack, and then there's a stack, and then there's these. So let's wait till it's 3 a.m. Also, the disclaimer, I wanted to say once again, that this is just a skit. So none of this is real, so don't take it real, or yeah. So guys, it is, I don't know what time it is. I think it's 10 p.m. or 12. I don't know. I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'm gonna put my alarm on, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll see you all because I'm gonna put my alarm on at 3 a.m. and then I'll see what goes on. So guys, I am currently, so I just woke up. I'm so tired. It is 3 a.m. You can't see my face, it's pitch black in here. But it's 3 a.m. now, so now I'm going to go get and grab my slime. So guys, I actually thought about it, and I think I'm just gonna play with the slime in the bathroom, and then we'll see what happens. That way maybe something will happen. Since it's 3 a.m. So I'm currently in my living room. I also wanted to say that it is 3 a.m. actually. It is 3 a.m. I just changed the lens. I changed the camera lens so that way you all can see me, but it's pitch black in here. So it is dark in here. I'm not gonna change the lens or the camera because then it's just gonna be pitch black and you won't even see me at all. So what's the point of that? And I'm using my pop socket to hold it on because I don't have my tripod. I think it's in my car. My dad's car. I don't know. Yes. I'm just set you all up. Alright. Here. So I'm just going to be playing with my slimes for about an hour, and then we'll see if anything happens. Also, the lights are right there, so if the lights turn off, it is not me. Okay, so first slime I have here is peach. Is this like mint color fluid? It's really satisfying to look at. So far, nothing is happening. I'm just playing with my phone. Oh my god. So many foam balls already spilt. I'm trying to pick up all these foam balls because they don't make me in trouble. So. So guys, I'm going to grab something right now. I'll let you right here. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so far nothing has been happening yet. And so far, I'm gonna play with my metallic slime. It's a metallic-y slime. It is super air bubbly. But and it's metallic, and you can see me on the camera. play with my big chicken slime. This is a huge. Oh my god. Oh. Literally, these just fell from up here. Oh my god. I'm creeped out. See, I knew something was gonna happen if I would go in the bathroom. I'm picking these up right now. Back up where they're supposed to be at, but like, what the heck? How did this happen? I don't get it. I'm so freaked out right now. Oh my god. I am getting out of here. I'm living this place. So yeah guys, that's the end of this little skit. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, tap the bell so you get notified when I upload another video. And that's gonna end this video. Also check out my second channel, Odilon Duran. I did a video up on there. I did another skit, which was a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. So you all should check it out. I really loved that one. Actually, I did better on that one than this one, but I will be sure to leave it in the description down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.